blueberry lavender martini. Take one. Hi.
We haven't seen you guys in a while. Hi.
I'm Reed at the bar.
And I'm Kelly. Hi. Also at the bar.
Yes, or the table.
Because, you know, your favorite bar is...
Wherever you are.
And in this case, we're at a table. Because we're not at our house. We're actually on vacation.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
But before we left on vacation, we swung over to Springfield Manor.
Springfield Manor.
In Thurmont, Maryland.
Yep.
And picked up some lavender gin.
And really, it's if you get a chance to go out there, it's really pretty. They have huge lavender fields. They're so pretty. The whole place smells wonderful.
It does, and they make a lot of cool stuff. They make lavender gin. They also make, of course, vodka and whiskey and many other spirits.
We went for the gin, though.
The gin is actually winning awards. It's doing really well, and we wanted to see why. We thought, what goes really well with lavender?
Well, it's summer, and it's blueberry season also, so we're going to put the two tastes together into a martini.
Right, so we're going to make a blueberry lavender martini. We experimented with this because we didn't know what to expect, and we think we've come up with a drink that everybody's really going to love. It's fantastic.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so we'll make a drink. So what we start off with, now we're on vacation. We don't have all our own stuff. I don't have a muddler, but if you don't have a muddler, you can use a wooden spoon. So we're going to start off with the blueberries and the lemon.
We were able to find the spoons, yeah.
Yes. So,
yeah, you know what it's like when you're in somebody else's kitchen and you're like, where is everything? You don't have all your stuff. It's okay, you don't really need all your stuff to do this. It's cool, we got it.
And she probably has a muddler, we just don't know where it is.
She probably does.
But by the way, Ann, thanks for hosting us here.
Oh, that's his sister, we're at his sister's house.
We're gonna make this a double, so what you do for the drink is you use about 10 blueberries.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make 2 of them.
Let's make them blueberry-y.
Very blueberry-y.
Yeah.
And for each drink you use about 1 ounce of lemon juice. I pre-squeezed the juice.
Because he didn't think you wanted to watch us
squeezing fruit. So this is so you need 1 ounce per drink. That's about 2 ounces.
Yeah, that's about right.
And if you don't have measuring equipment with you, if you don't have a pour spout or whatever, 2 ounces is a 1/4 cup, or
so if you can find the measuring cups, you're good to go.
Right. And then you use about 1 teaspoon of sugar per drink. So we got 2 teaspoons of sugar in here, and then you muddle away. And
yeah, you gotta use the other end.
Yeah, there you go. And you want to get the juice out of the berries. You want to. So
you are going to watch us juice some fruit.
Yeah. Well, okay. But they're watching us muddle again.
Right.
We muddle a lot.
We do muddle a lot.
Yeah. And
we're like the muddler. No, those are muggles. I'm thinking Harry Potter.
Oh,
it's
boy.
different. We're cooler than that.
You haven't even been drinking yet.
We are cooler than that.
We're not cooler than Harry Potter.
Well, no, but we're cooler than the muggles in Harry Potter.
Oh, okay. All right, fine. That aside.
I'm going to lose this spot again.
All right, so we have the sugar, the lemon, and the blueberry.
Okay, and all squished together into this little...
And now what is missing? Well, what's missing is the gin.
So that's right. It's a drink.
You want 2 ounces, a cocktail, right? You want 2 ounces of gin per drink. So we'll have 4 ounces. I don't have a pour spout, but I have a shot glass, so that's awesome. Go on.
I think most people would have a shot glass in their house. I mean, maybe I'm making too many assumptions here, and if I am...
Maybe we hang out with different people.
Maybe we do. I don't know. All the people we know have shot glasses. I want to smell it.
There you go.
I'm not a big, huge gin person, but this smells so good. You can just... The lavender. So if you're not a lavender person, maybe this isn't for you. But if you are, maybe it is.
Okay, now, quick note. When you're scooping ice, never scoop with glass. Okay, you don't want the glass. You don't want the glass to chip and get into the ice, and then you can't use any of that ice ever again.
Oh yeah, no, that'd be bad. Yeah, don't do that.
Stainless steel or plastic. Please do not scoop ice with a glass. Okay, now.
Oh, that's fun.
So we muddled. Now we shake.
Oh, it's the muddle and shake.
Kind of like the bend and snap.
Like the bend and snap, but way hotter.
Nothing like the bend and snap.
Way hotter.
Okay, this one winds up with a cocktail. And here we go. Look at this.
Oh, that's pretty. Here, let me so you guys can see.
Oh, I got some blueberries clogging my cocktail here.
Well, they're full of fiber and antioxidants, so maybe it's the antioxidants.
So check this out. You can garnish this with some berries. Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty.
Now, I, on the other hand, don't want to have one. I don't want to have a martini. I'm having a Collins. Same exact drink, but
oh, look at that.
You top it with some soda.
What kind of soda are you using?
We could use club soda. I'm using lemon club soda. Oh, Poland Spring is what it feels like to be from Maine.
Whatever.
It's just commercial.
I guess.
All right. And
does anyone else remember that?
everybody remembers that.
Nobody remembers that.
So it's the same exact cocktail. Now you can make two different cocktails. You can make a Collins if you like some soda, or a martini if you don't want soda.
All right.
We're gonna taste it.
Yeah, well, yeah. Sure. Cheers.
God, I love this.
Boy, that tastes like summer.
This is such a good cocktail.
Yeah.
And I really highly recommend the lavender gin. Now, if you don't have access to lavender gin, you can make lavender simple syrup.
Oh, that's true. And we have a simple syrup video somewhere.
On both YouTube and
Yeah.
on Instagram, we have the simple syrup video. You can infuse the syrup with lavender.
And there you go.
When you do that, don't add any sugar to the drink because it'll be too sweet.
There you go.
All right?
All right.
Please let
Cheers.
us know if you like it if you try it.
Yeah. All right. Thanks,
All right?
guys.
Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Remember, your favorite bar is wherever you are.
Even if you're on vacation.
And today, this is my favorite bar.
This is mine too.
All right.